The moment we see the amount of tax being cut, we realize the importance of effective tax planning. Yet most of us fail to take advantage of the tax saving avenues available to us due to lack of awareness. Hello and welcome, I am Prarthana from Clear. We have assisted more than 80,000 tax experts and 6 million tax filers. Do subscribe to support us and get a clear explanation of taxation and financial concepts. In this video, we will tell you about the 5 tax saving ideas through which you can save tax beyond the basic 1.5 lakh allowed under Section 80C.
As we know, every individual who has purchased a health insurance policy for themselves and their family can claim tax deductions under Section 80D of up to Rs 25,000. An increased deduction was introduced by the Income Tax Act of up to Rs 50,000 for senior citizens. Hence, a maximum deduction of up to Rs 1 lakh can be claimed if the parents are senior citizens aged 60 years and above. One can claim the deduction for the payment only if it is done other than the cash mode.
In addition to the medical insurance premium, an individual can claim the deduction for the medical expenses incurred on the senior citizens, provided they are not covered by any health insurance policy. The deduction is allowed within Rs 50,000 limit available under Section 80D for senior citizens. The salaried individuals who stay in rented accommodation can take advantage of claiming the house rent allowance or HRA exemption from their salary. The benefit of exemption significantly reduces their income tax liability. However, if the individual does not receive HRA from the employer, that is, there is no HRA component in the salary, or if the person is self-employed, he cannot claim HRA exemption. However, such individuals staying in rented accommodation can take deduction for rent paid under other provisions of the Act. The taxpayer can claim a deduction under Section 80GG of the Income Tax Act towards the expense paid for the house rent. One can claim a deduction up to a certain amount as provided by the Income Tax Act. To claim a deduction under Section 80GG, one has to file a declaration in Form 10BA through the e-filing portal. However, the taxpayer, his or her spouse or minor child must not own any house at the place of his duty. You can claim a deduction for interest paid on self, spouse or children's education loan. You can claim a tax rebate up to 8 years from the date when the education loan started. The deduction is applicable only on the interest amount and not on the principal amount without any limit. So folks, education loans do help you save in tax. Now, if you find this information helpful, please write informative in the comment section below. Investment in NPS is allowed to be claimed under subsection 1 of Section 80CCD, Section 80CCD 1, that is within a limit of Rs 1.5 lakh. However, an additional tax rebate of up to Rs 50,000 is allowed if you invest in NPS Tier 1 under subsection 1B of Section 80CCD. The 50,000 deduction is above the limit of Rs 1.5 lakh prescribed under 80C. Moreover, any employer contributions to any employee's NPS account are also deductible up to 10% of the basic salary plus dearness allowance. In case of central and state government employees, the deduction of up to 14% of basic salary plus dearness allowance under subsection 2 of the 80CCD of the Income Tax Act. So you can ask your employer to restructure your salary and include the NPS component in your CTC. In this way, some part of your taxable salary will be diverted to your NPS account and you will be able to claim the deduction for the same. One can claim a deduction on contributors made to prescribed institutions. The limit of deduction is based on the category of the funds. As per the provision of the Act, various specified donations are eligible for either 50% or 100% of deductions. Donations made in kind are not allowed for tax deduction. It can be in any other mode like cash, check or draft. However, cash donations of more than Rs 2,000 are not allowed. The trust receiving donations shall fill a statement of donation every year to the Income Tax Department by filling Form 10BD and also download and issue a certificate of donation to the donor in Form 10BE. I hope this video was helpful for you. For queries related to business or tax, you can contact our experts by clicking on the chat link provided in the description box below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos and stay tuned for more updates. Take care and goodbye.